Yes, Harshivardhini.
Anything?
Yeah. You are clearly visible and audible. So, welcome you all and Harshvardhini for this success story. So, everyone, we have Harshvardhini here who will be sharing her journey, and she has recently landed a job as data analyst at Inditronics, I suppose, right, Harshvardhini? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wonderful. So, congratulations on your achievement. So, please take us through your journey, Harshavardhini, from being a student at DataMites and successfully landing a job as a data analyst.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. First of all, thank you. After completed my college, I joined the certified data science course in DataMites. After that, I gained skills in Python, machine learning, SQL, and so on skills needed for data scientists. And after that, the institute provided us with study materials, and they coach better, and the teaching is well, and they give also projects. After running some project, I gain a practical knowledge that is really wanted. With that practical knowledge, I attended the mock interviews. I completed 2 marks, I think. Yeah. And after the 2 marks, I also gained the knowledge about the how the interview and how the HR will ask questions as for the role of data scientist, data analyst, and so on. After completed the mock, I get a basic idea and what are the things in the interview, and how to get selected. And after that, they also provide placement offers. In that placement offers, I also attended one company that was Lisbon, but the role was not suitable for me, so that I didn't go for the job because the role vary from my skill set, so that I rejected that. After that, I got selected in Inditronics as a data analyst.
Wonderful to know about it, Harshvardhini. So, tell us about your sessions at DataMites. So, I suppose you are from Coimbatore branch. Am I correct?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am, that's right.
Wonderful. So, you had the offline sessions over there. So, tell us starting from your Python. So, were you having any prior knowledge about Python, or you learned Python from scratch over here?
Yeah, I'm an information technology student. So in college, we got a basic knowledge about Python, and after that, I'm fully in Java while studying college. I have little bit knowledge about Python. And after I got into the data mites, they teach us Python from scratch, from the basic level, Even the non-technical students easily understand that level. And after that, I have some knowledge in Python. I gained to next level. That was libraries including scikit-learn, which is mainly important for machine learning, and TensorFlow for image classification. They are big packages, in Python. It's quite difficult, and I also learned that. After the session, the offline session is very good. We've gone. I'm a weekend batch. We Saturday, Sundays only we have class, and that is 4 hours. I think 9:30 to 2 p.m.
Okay, wonderful, Harshvardhini. So tell me about your learning of machine learning concepts. So how were the sessions of machine learning?
Yeah, machine learning is one of my favorite, um, because the concepts are quite deep, and it's quite difficult to understand, but if you understand it very well, you use it very slowly, and while studying machine learning, the concept the understanding of concept is very important. After that, we have to code it. So we lag in concept means we don't able to code it, so it's quite important.
Correct, absolutely correct. So tell me about after you complete you could say our sessions at right Data Mites, you were weekend batch. So around 4 months to 3 months you had those sessions, correct? So after that we had our internships. So what projects you
Yeah.
did during your internship phase?
Yeah, ma'am. I worked in a project as a team. and I completed 4 capstone projects and 1 main project, client project. And the capstone projects are walk run classification, price list reduction using CNN, flight fare prediction, and finally handwritten digit recognition. And my client project is telecom churn prediction. And in my capstone project, I completed uh, first rise detection. That is very difficult. That is image classification. So it was such a difficult process to classify image as a fresher. I'm just learned machine learning, so I have to deep down in the concept so that. But it was quite very useful because it's a work project. And after that, I really like the handwritten digital organization project.
Nice, 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 Harshvardhini. All right. So once you completed your internships, right, you went to attend the mock interviews, and you said 2 mock interviews you attended, and you cleared the mock interviews, and you got the client project. Correct. So how mock interviews have helped you to boost your performance in your client interviews?
Yeah, ma'am. In mock interviews, when I try to attend the first mock interview, they also give study materials, and I go through the study materials. After that, I lag in. I after completing the first mock, they said the HR said you lag in those concepts. And after the next mock interview, I prepared where I lag and where I have to improve myself. So that's why I completed.
Nice, nice, nice. All right. So once you attended, right, your client interviews, can you tell us about the process? How many rounds were there for the interview, and what kind of questions were asked?
Yeah. There are 2 rounds. First round will be they said about the company and what they do, and the company is Inditronics. They are the data analytics and machine learning concept. They work in both concepts, and we got selected to the data analytics trainee role. After 6 months of our work, based on our work, and they shifted to full-time work, they said. And they told about how basics, how the work is in first round. After that, 2 hours later, they send another link for second round. After complete in the second round, they asked like, will you work from tomorrow itself? You are able to do it. You are able to do work on Saturdays, and would you like to work on 9 to 6? Because they need a focused person who is always active and responding. So they asked.
Nice, nice, nice. So any questions were asked based on your projects, Harshvardhini, the
Yeah,
internship?
yeah. The HR asked about my projects and what are the skills I have. And I said I skilled in Python and Python libraries and machine learning algorithms and so on. And after they said you have to work in projects like we have the data analytics tool like Power BI and MySQL and so on. And I'm okay. I'm said I'm just comfortable with it. And after that, after 6 months, you have if you want to shift the role from data analytics to machine learner, they'll shift now. They say.
Nice, nice, nice. All right. So, any questions related to any data was given, and we were told to get some insights from that data? Anything like that was asked?
No, they just said they provide the data. We have to analyze the data. That was audio data or audio input. So we have to analyze and split the audio to the next level of process. That was the job we have to do.
Okay. Okay, great, great, great. All right. So, tell us about your preparation. How do you did all this preparation for your internship? Right from your training, you could say how much time you used to spend daily for your training, for your learning, you would say.
Yeah, ma'am. Basically, we are weekend batch. So in weekdays, we I have spent 3 to 4 hours for studying, normally a day. After we attended the weekend, and it as usually goes on. And after I'm getting my projects, um, first I'm just a little bit take more time to complete a project. Like I worked like 4 5 hours to complete a single part of a program. So after that, I gained some knowledge and I take less time. Like,
Wonderful. So tell me about any particular resources you referred apart from what trainers shared, any YouTube channel or any other websites you referred to in order to prepare for all these things.
yeah, YouTube is a open source. It that all is available here. I learned machine learning concepts deeply, and when I see a video, it will be much rememberable to me. So I watched YouTube videos in Simply Learn. They Simply Learn YouTube channel. They taught machine learning algorithms in a simple way and most understandable. And I mostly refer to the books and materials given in data management.
Great. And how was LMS? So did you refer to the LMS in order to prepare?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. LMS plays a big part while I'm preparing a mock interview. I also watched videos in LMS portal. They thought so very well.
Great, great. So tell me, Harshavardhini, since now you have attended few interviews, can you tell us about what skill you feel that we need to prepare well in order to get job?
Yeah, ma'am. The basic skill is Python. We have to understand the concepts and libraries in Python very much. After that, the database. So as a data scientist or data analyst, we have to fetch the data from the database only. So we have to know at least one database language like MySQL or PostgreSQL or MongoDB, something. We have to learn the basic things and how to fetch and retrieve data from the database. These two are basics, and after that, machine learning concepts are mostly important. In interviews, they don't ask to code the whole machine learning thing. So we have to tell the concepts to the HR so that they can understand. We understand the concept well. So the concepts are very important in machine learning. And statistics, yeah, and like I forgot. Statistics is most important. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. So statistics and Python. And what about SQL? Do you feel SQL is also required in order to do they ask any queries and or during interview time?
Yeah, I mean, they ask the queries for Python and SQL. In Python, they ask the simple program. When we gain knowledge in Python, we easily do that program. And in SQL, they just want to print some or select some statements from the database. Like that, in interview, they ask like that now. And the machine learning concepts.
Great, great, great. So have you already started working at this company, Inditronics, Harshavardhini?
Yeah, ma'am, it's second day. I'm
Wonderful,
working.
wonderful. Okay, so can you tell us about what kind of work you are being told currently to do over there?
Yeah, ma'am, we have told they've sent the audio files. We have to analyze the audio and split the audio into different categories. Now, so
Great,
on, they just told the task. Yeah,
great, great. So what tools you are using in order to do that, Harshavardhini?
yeah, ma'am, for splitting, I use Audacity tool, and we have to find the which the audio falls into which category. For that, um, we used an app called I didn't remember it that now. So. We usually use two apps for that process, ma'am.
Nice, nice. Since this is your only for second day, right? So long way to go,
Yeah,
sir, to all learn about all the top, you could say, tools and things and working everything. Great, wonderful. So, team, do we have any question for Harshvardhini from our attendees? Attendees, please use the platform for answering the questions to asking the questions to Harshvardhini. She is here to answer your questions. Uh, yeah. All right, Harshvardhini. So, when did you join DataMites actually? From when you had started attending the course?
yeah, ma'am. I'm July batch to July 27th.
July 2024, I guess, right?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Great, great, great. So it's almost now year, and after almost a year, you have got the job. We could say, great, great, great. Because our courses like that structure that you have to complete the phase one, phase two, phase three, correct? So it usually takes around 6 to 7 months of time in that itself.
Yeah,
Great. Wonderful to know about that. All right, so I can see there are no more questions from our students over here. So, Harshvardhini, it was wonderful to have you over here, and it was nice to talk with you. And we are very much proud of your achievement. And congratulations once again, Harshvardhini. And I hope whatever insights you have shared today, it will help others as well. So, we wish you all the best in your career path. And thank you once again for sharing your insights with us. Yeah, bye,
yeah,
Harshwat.
ma'am. Pleasure to meet you.